So here's the strawberry that I didn't like. So what I did, as you could see, I did the shadow side, and then I came in with the seeds. Um, in like I pointed out before, in part one, I did sit down with Procreate, and I had gone through this process. I painted the strawberries, thought I had a good plan. And even though Procreate is great, it doesn't translate exactly to what what it's going to be like when you sit down to use a brush. So, disclaimer, don't do it like this. It doesn't it doesn't work. But we that's part of painting. You're going to do things that don't work, and it's okay. What didn't work is going to teach you what to do that does work. I'm going to go forward a little bit since this is what not to do. You can see me going in here, adding in some of the other colors, fighting with it. It's not terrible, but it's just not it just seems flat. So here, you can see me now I'm giving up and I'm just going to paint over it. And no one knows except you and me that that I didn't like it and that I went over it. Everyone does that. Every painter does something that they don't like and has to start again. Um, and I hope that you won't be discouraged or you know be upset with yourself over something like that. I used to get really down on myself about that kind of thing. Um, but I've grown enough as an artist to understand that I needed to make some of those mistakes in order to know what the right thing is to do. I can't know how to do it without making a few mistakes. And I've never painted strawberries before. So it's going to be, hopefully my mistakes will help you and the process that I used will help you